Hi guys, how are you? It's Foxy, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you how I do my night skincare routine. Basically, I don't have a consistent skincare routine because I have a lot of products. I always test something new, so I am only consistent with my retinol schedule. So basically my retinol schedule looks like day 1 exfoliating, day 2 retinol, day 3 and day 4 deep moisturizing. And today was the exfoliating day. I was using this TLC Sukari Baby Facial from Drunk Elephant. It contains 25% AHA and 2% BHA and chickpea flour. This thing is super strong, okay? This will make you feel like you have a brand new skin on your face, so you have to be very careful with this. So basically, if you're new to this product, if you've never used it before, on your first try, please try to leave it on your skin for like 10 minutes and only then like gradually add more minutes. I leave it on my skin for 20 minutes like it says on the packaging, and my skin feels like I just bought a new face, basically. It's brand new skin. It feels so soft and it glides. Okay, I'm done talking. Let's get on to business already because I want to show you my today's skincare routine. Let me clip my hair so it won't get on my face. I'm gonna be using the microcurrent devices right now. They both from Foreo. This baby, I have been using it for 1 year, I think, if not more. They already have Bare 2, the brand new one, but I didn't change it. I'm just thinking to change it. This is the OG one, the first Bare, and I heard that this one is not as strong as the new one, but let me tell you, this is already pretty much strong. And this one, this little cutie patootie, only in my hands for 2 weeks. This one is not as strong as this one because this one is for the face and this one for eyes and for lips, for those sensitive areas. So it's pretty much logical that it's not as strong as this one. For safe purpose, you know, basically it has app, but you can use it without. I have this Foreo app and all of my devices are registered here, and right now I'm gonna be using the Lip and Eyes Bare 2, and I'm gonna start it. This is what it looks like. I'm pushing the button on the device and it starts vibrating. It's connected. You can basically use those treatments that they have. You can pick different modes in T-Sonic, and in microcurrent you can also pick one of those modes. I'm gonna pick the lifting one. I'm gonna put the microcurrent on intensity 4 and T-Sonic on intensity 4 also. I'm gonna take this Foreo Supercharged Eye and Lip Contour Booster, and you can put it right here instead of this one because this is a refillable tube, and you can change it to this one here, like so. But I don't want to change it because I think it looks just so beautiful with this silver one because it matches the whole device, you know, just the aesthetic of the device. So I'm gonna put it right on the spots where I will use the device. So around my eyes, here, and I want to use it a bit here too. I'm not gonna put it on the second eye because I will put it when I will switch the sides, because my skin eats it pretty fast when I use the device. I'm like, you see, lifting it. So basically I am moving the device from the center of my face, like so. Now I'm gonna switch the sides. I have the mirror right in front of me, just behind the camera, so it's not so comfortable to look at the mirror because the camera is here and the mirror is right here, but I'm doing my best. This is intensity 4 and it's already super strong. Look at my muscle. you have to be pretty careful with it. And what I like to do, I like to just kind of hold the brow. I let my finger go and I just hold it with the device, and it kind of lifts the eyebrow. This works for me this way because I see the effect of it. I kind of see more lifted eyes, lifted brows after using this. So yeah, the serum is fully absorbed into my skin. And let's switch the devices. With this device, I'm gonna be using this Foreo Supercharged Serum. I already finished the first bottle of this product, and this is a brand new one, so this was super satisfying, right? Here I'm using the same application technique because I'm gonna be using this product only on the side of the face that I'm gonna be working on right now, and only when I'll switch the sides of the face, I'm gonna apply this product on the second part of my face. Same as with this device, I'm gonna use it in the app. Here it is, the Bare. You can also pick any treatments that they have inside of the app, but as I already mentioned, I just like to have a full control of this device. And I'm putting the serum. See, this is a microcurrent on setting 5, and this is how my lip moves from it. This is pretty strong. Sometimes my muscle react not that much, but today is some special kind of a day. I don't know. Now I'm gonna just repeat the process that I did here on this side of my face, and I'm not gonna record it because this is straight up the same technique and nothing new, so I'm gonna be right back. So I'm back. I just finished my microcurrent routine and I took off my shirt so it will be more comfortable for me to apply skincare, because I'm not only applying it on my face, I also put it on my neck, on my chest. So yeah, let's get started. First product that I'm gonna be using, it's Vegan Blackberry Complex Cream Essence. It's from the brand called Mary & May. This is a Korean brand, such an amazing brand. I love their products very much, and especially this product, because basically the only thing that annoys me so much is this, because I only own it for like a few months, and it started to peel off in a week of usage. I can't stand it, but I don't want to remove it because I will forget the name of it. So to use it, you have to shake it, because this is a dual face product, and I love this one so much because it's like a milk. If you've tried this a road milk glaze, it's kind of similar, but as I mentioned in one of my previous videos where I showed you this one, I prefer this one more. I truly love the feeling of it on my face because it feels like a toner with a lotion mixed together. So I think it kind of is a toner with a lotion mixed together, but it's like essence. It's cream essence. When I use this one, my skin feels really super hydrated. So currently this toner is my favorite one. Now I'm gonna be using Cosrx Niacinamide 15 serum with acetylglucosamine and zinc BCA. Cosrx packaging is always super minimalistic. It looks like, you know, this medical skincare products. I love to use this serum because it helps me to control how much freckles I want to have, because as I mentioned before in my previous videos, I have much more freckles in the summer than in winter. Even though I wear lots of SPF and I reapply it every 2 hours, and my SPF is always so strong, it's always Asian SPF, because Asian SPF is just a chef's kiss. They know what they're doing. Even though I do this, I get more freckles in the summertime. And don't get me wrong, I love my freckles, but I don't want them to turn into one big pigmentation, like into one big sun damage on my face. And this is why I use those products. So when summer ends, I like to brighten my face, and this is what I use for it, and it works wonders. Now I'm going in with Cosrx Propolis Light Ampoule, and this ampoule is a pretty nice one for brightening too. You can tell by the packaging that I love this product so much. I use it religiously. I for sure will buy it again. The same as this niacinamide serum, and of course this dual phase toner. Even though I test a lot of different skincare products and have a consistent skincare routine, I just always use something different every day. But this combo is kind of the combo I use more often. I love to massage the product when I put them on my skin because, you know, not only it just feels good because it feels super relaxing. I love the feeling of massage. You know, massage is always a nice thing to do for your skin. Now I go ahead with Cyfirma Fresh Day Serum by Drunk Elephant. This one contains 15% ascorbic acid and ferulic acid. This one brightens the skin too. It helps to get rid of pigmentation. So basically, as you can see, all of those serums and ampoules I use today are working on pigmentation, to get rid of it, to control the freckles, because you know sometimes they get out of control and I like to control things. I am going in with Cosrx Propolis Light Cream. This is what it looks like, and those two basically are from the same family. They both contain propolis. Gently applying it on the skin. Even though I will apply body care products anyway, but if I have excessive product on my hands, I will just use it. I will use it on my hands, I will use it on my shoulders, I will use it anywhere, but I'm not gonna waste the product, okay? Here are a lot of money in them, so I'm gonna be adding the finishing touch to it all. It's Unique Propolis Vitamin Sleeping Mask. It also contains propolis, but it's a different brand. It's not Cosrx, it's Unique. Basically, propolis works on brightening and on wrinkle care. So I'm going to use this much. I'm kind of like sealing all of the products that I used before with this sleeping mask, so my skin will absorb them better. So I think that's it. You guys, my camera died right before the end of the video, so what I wanted to tell you, this is it, and thank you guys for watching. I really hope this video was helpful and interesting for you. You, as always, have a wonderful day or evening or anything you have right now. Just have a wonderful one, okay? And yeah, take care of yourself. See you later. With love, your Foxy. Bye bye.